I am going to share with you the tutorial of charpa. Many of you have not heard about this kind of dish. It is religiously prepared in my village. So let's start with the tutorial. For that you will require rice paste 2 tablespoons for binding purpose, minced meat 100 gram, potato 100 gram, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, red chili powder to taste, turmeric powder half teaspoon, black pepper powder half teaspoon, jeera powder 1 teaspoon, coriander leaves chopped 1 tablespoon, salt to taste and mustard oil 2 tablespoons. Now the first steps comes in. The first step is to mixing the ingredients. First of all, I will mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Put meat and potato first. The dry spices. Fast forward. Then add salt according to your taste and 2 teaspoons of mustard oil and mix it well. Then add coriander leaves and for binding it I am going to add the rice flour paste. You have to make a semi thick batter of it. It shouldn't be so too runny, but you have to make a semi thick batter. Here I would like to tell you that the rice flour which I have used is the rice used for making idli, or you can take rice flour which is easily available in the market. Now I have heat a tawa on the stove and add mustard oil about 1.5 tablespoon. Spread it all over the tawa and then put the charpa batter . Now put the charpa batter into it and give it a circle shape. We have to cook it in a medium flame so that the meat and the potatoes which are raw will be cooked nicely. You have to cook it until the base is crisp. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes. Flipped this charpa and you can see the base is very nicely crisp. In a similar manner we have to cook the other side also. Although you will find it that it is too oily, you can use olive oil instead of it or sunflower oil of your choice. Now you can see that this charpa is cooked very nicely or equally from both the sides and it is crisp. The potato is also cooked. Now I am going to turn off the stove and place it in the plate. Serve it hot. Ingredients of charpa of veg and non-veg. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.